Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy from us. Today we are reviewing the unique Rado DiaStar Multifunction watch. This model combines elegance, high-quality materials, and the reliability of Swiss craftsmanship. Let's start with the features. The watch is made of ceramic, which gives it a stylish look and increased durability. The 39mm case size is perfect for both men and women, making this a unisex model. The sapphire crystal glass provides excellent scratch resistance, keeping the dial in perfect condition for years to come. Mechanism. The watch is equipped with a reliable quartz movement, ensuring accurate timekeeping and a long lifespan. All functions work flawlessly, including hours, minutes, seconds, and the date. The model also features multifunction capabilities, making it even more versatile. Water resistance. The Rado DiaStar Multifunction offers splash resistance, so you don't have to worry about accidental water exposure. Condition and appearance. These watches have been previously used but are in full working condition. The dial and bracelet, made of ceramic, are in excellent condition and look almost new. In conclusion, Rado DiaStar Multifunction is an excellent choice for those who value style, quality, and functionality. This watch will make a great addition to your wardrobe and serve you for many years. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new videos. Have a nice day and happy shopping. Best wishes, your Citadel Watch.